Hello, and welcome back to Market Access Today, your go-to source for the latest in healthcare and market access news. Today, we're exploring a transformative concept in the pharmaceutical industry, value-based pricing, or VBP.
Introduction to value-based pricing. In the evolving landscape of pharmaceuticals, the concept of VBP has emerged as a beacon of innovation, guiding the industry towards a more patient-centered approach. Unlike traditional pricing models, which often rely on production costs or market competition, VBP aligns the cost of drugs with their actual value to patients and healthcare systems. This comprehensive approach takes into account several key factors, including the drug's effectiveness in treating or managing a condition, the improvements it brings to patients' quality of life, and its overall contribution to public health outcomes. Value-based pricing also considers the long-term economic impact of a drug, including potential healthcare cost savings from reduced hospitalizations or the need for fewer additional treatments. By focusing on the real-world benefits that a medication provides, value-based pricing encourages the development and use of therapies that offer significant clinical value. This model aims to ensure that patients have access to innovative treatments that truly enhance their health and well-being, while also supporting the sustainability of healthcare systems by promoting the efficient use of resources.
Understanding VBP. Value-based pricing represents a significant shift in how drug prices are determined. Instead of relying on production costs or market competition, value-based pricing focuses on the value delivered to patients, healthcare systems, and society. This approach aims to improve patient access to essential medicines, ensure the financial sustainability of healthcare systems, and stimulate innovation within the pharmaceutical industry. By emphasizing outcomes over inputs, value-based pricing promotes the development of therapies that address unmet medical needs and provide tangible health benefits. It also encourages pharmaceutical companies to invest in research and development, knowing that their efforts will be rewarded based on the actual impact of their products on patient health and healthcare efficiency. Furthermore, value-based pricing can help mitigate the rising costs of healthcare by ensuring that spending is directed toward interventions that offer the most significant benefits, thus optimizing resource allocation and enhancing the overall effectiveness of healthcare delivery.
Key Principle S of VBP. The key principles of value-based pricing include patient-centered value, emphasizing the benefits to patients, such as improved health outcomes and quality of life enhancements, ensuring that treatments provide tangible, meaningful improvements in patients' daily lives. Healthcare system sustainability, aligning drug prices with real-world effectiveness to allocate resources efficiently, ensuring that healthcare spending is both effective and sustainable over the long term. Incentivizing innovation, encouraging pharmaceutical companies to develop drugs that address unmet medical needs or represent significant therapeutic advancements, thus driving progress and breakthroughs in medical science.
Role of Health Technology Assessment, HTA. Central to value-based pricing is Health Technology Assessment, HTA. HTA systematically evaluates the properties and impacts of healthcare technologies, providing evidence on clinical effectiveness, cost-effectiveness, and broader impacts. This evidence-based approach ensures that value-based pricing strategies are grounded in solid scientific evidence, facilitating more informed and equitable pricing decisions. By rigorously analyzing clinical trial data, real-world evidence, and economic outcomes, HTA helps stakeholders understand the true value of a new drug beyond just its market price. It assesses factors such as the long-term benefits to patient health, potential reductions in healthcare utilization, and overall contributions to public health. This comprehensive evaluation process enables policymakers and healthcare providers to make decisions that balance innovation with affordability, ultimately ensuring that patients have access to effective treatments while maintaining the financial health of the healthcare system. Through HTA, value-based pricing can promote transparency and accountability, fostering trust among patients, healthcare providers, and pharmaceutical companies.
Implementation challenges. Implementing VBP is not without challenges. Defining value. Determining criteria for value and how to measure it can be subjective and varies among stakeholders, complicating consensus and standardization efforts. Data collection and analysis. Collecting and analyzing robust data on effectiveness, safety, and quality of life is complex and resource-intensive, requiring significant investment in infrastructure and expertise. Negotiation and flexibility requires transparent and flexible negotiations between pharmaceutical companies and payers, which can be difficult to achieve given differing priorities and budget constraints. Additionally, establishing fair and consistent frameworks for these negotiations is essential to avoid disparities in drug pricing and access.
The potential of VBP. Despite these challenges, VBP has the potential to transform the pharmaceutical landscape by improving patient access, ensuring drug prices reflect therapeutic benefits, enhancing access to essential medications, and making life-saving treatments more affordable for a broader population. Promoting equitable healthcare, ensuring healthcare resources maximize benefits across the population, thus promoting fairness and reducing disparities in healthcare access and outcomes. Driving meaningful innovation, aligning financial incentives with genuine therapeutic advancements, encouraging pharmaceutical companies to invest in research and development for drugs that offer significant improvements in patient care. Moreover, VBP can foster a more sustainable healthcare system by prioritizing treatments that provide the greatest overall value, ensuring that both patients and healthcare providers benefit from advancements in medical science.
Mechanisms of value-based pricing. VBP operates under two primary models, direct and indirect. Direct models focus on cost-effectiveness, while indirect models consider various dimensions of value, such as innovation and societal benefits. Both models aim to establish a clear link between a drug's value and its price, enhancing transparency. Direct models. In direct models, the pricing of a drug is primarily based on quantitative measures like cost per quality-adjusted life year, (QALY) gained. This approach ensures that the price reflects the health benefits provided relative to existing treatments, making it easier to justify costs through clear, empirical evidence. Indirect models. Indirect models, on the other hand, incorporate a broader set of criteria beyond cost-effectiveness. These can include factors like the severity of the condition being treated, the level of unmet medical need, and the potential for long-term societal benefits such as increased productivity or reduced caregiver burden. By considering these diverse attributes, indirect models provide a more holistic view of a drug's value, accommodating various stakeholder perspectives and priorities. Both approaches strive to make drug pricing more transparent and aligned with the actual benefits delivered to patients and society, ultimately supporting a more rational and equitable healthcare system.
Role of HTA in value-based pricing. HTA plays a pivotal role in VBP by evidence synthesis, compiling evidence on effectiveness and safety, ensuring that all relevant clinical data is considered to provide a comprehensive evaluation of the drug. Cost-effectiveness analysis, comparing costs and health outcomes to existing standards of care, helping to determine whether a new treatment offers value for money relative to current options. Broader impact assessment, evaluating quality of life improvements and societal benefits, including factors such as reduced disability, increased productivity, and enhanced overall public health. Informing negotiations, providing an evidence-based framework for pricing discussions, enabling transparent and objective negotiations between payers and pharmaceutical companies. Supporting policy decisions, helping policymakers allocate resources efficiently, ensuring that funds are directed towards treatments that offer the greatest overall benefit to society. Facilitating access, ensuring pricing decisions are grounded in comprehensive value assessments, which helps to make innovative and effective treatments available to patients in a timely manner.
Global perspectives on value-based pricing. Countries like the UK and Germany are leading models in integrating VBP into healthcare decision-making. The UK's National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, NICE, uses rigorous HTA to inform VBP, ensuring that only cost-effective treatments are funded by the National Health Service, NHS. Similarly, Germany's AMNOG process involves comprehensive benefit assessments to determine reimbursement levels for new drugs. In the US, outcome-based contracts between payers and pharmaceutical companies reflect a move toward VBP principles, where payments for medications are tied to the clinical outcomes they achieve. Other countries, such as Sweden and Canada, are also exploring VBP frameworks, adapting them to their unique healthcare systems and regulatory environments. This global trend towards VBP highlights a collective shift towards more sustainable, patient-centered healthcare, encouraging the international exchange of best practices and methodologies to improve health outcomes worldwide.
Value-based pricing, a path forward. The transition to VBP represents a paradigm shift towards more sustainable and value-oriented healthcare. By aligning drug prices with their actual value, VBP can facilitate access to essential medications, encourage innovative therapies, and ensure financial sustainability. However, achieving these goals requires a collaborative effort among governments, industry, healthcare providers, and patients.
In conclusion, value-based pricing holds the promise of transforming pharmaceutical pricing by ensuring that the cost of drugs reflects their real-world impact. As we move forward, successfully implementing VBP will hinge on our collective ability to address its challenges and fully embrace its potential to improve healthcare outcomes and value for all stakeholders. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Telegram and LinkedIn for more market access and life science insights. See you in our next video.